Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Okay? So, by the way, take only what resonates. Kasi hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Normal yon. Anyway, para sa gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo, okay? So, kung may maririnig kang ingay sa aking background, pagpasensyaan mo na lang. Ano ito maingay talaga yung background ko kasi katabi ko terminal ng tricycle. So, kung medyo magiging maingay, pasensya na po. Ang importante, marinig mo yung reading at makarelate ka sa reading natin. Okay, again, this is for Virgos, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Let's start your reading. For Virgos, please. For Virgos, please. For Virgos, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter Virgos. Let's start your reading. Maraming cards yung lumabas, guys. Palace of Coins is here. Nakakita ako dito na pagdating sa career, this is with regards to your career, no? Ang daming kaaway, ang daming galit. Ang daming kalaban, kaaway, kagalit. Especially if you do have a business, so medyo maraming, kung hindi ka nakarelate, guys, maybe this is not your reading. Yung iba, kahit hindi naman yon sa negosyo, maybe with the magician, pwede kung ano yung pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon. Okay? If nakakita ko dito ng mga influencer kind of energy. So, or maybe ang field ng iyong trabaho ay may kinalaman sa pag-entertain ng tao. Yan. But I can see you being stable with the Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Nakita rin pala ako ng sugal. So, I don't know kung may trabaho ka ba na may kinalaman sa sugal. So, anyway, nakita ko ng mga kaaway doon, kagalit. And Ten of Cups is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I really do like itong energy mo pagdating sa iyong family, no? Kasi, nandun yung loyalty nila sa'yo. No? Yung parang, they find you, ito ang tinutukoy kong pamilya ay hindi yung pamilya na kasama mo araw-araw. It's like relatives, no? Na maybe hindi nila napapansin kung ano yung mga kakayahan mo in the past. Pero ngayon, nakikita natin na napapansin ka nila. And then, nandun yung pag kinailangan mo kami, nandito lang kami. Parang ganan. Kind of energy. So, I really do like that kasi maybe hindi mo sila napapansin in the past then, no? So, ngayon nakikita natin na kahit hindi mo alam na nandiyan lang sila, nandiyan lang talaga sila. Na anytime na kailanganin mo, nandiyan lang sila para sa'yo. Okay, so anyway, inom lang ako, guys. Punta tayo sa messages pagdating sa love. For Virgos, please, messages pagdating sa love. Six of Cups is here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands is here. Alam mo, the Six of Cups, that's a past person energy, past connection. Ten of Coins. Palace of Swords. For those of you dealing with the past, I don't know, I can see moving on stage, tapos parang nagiging successful kayo sa pag-move on nyo na yan. Maybe you're moving on, your person is moving on. Pero okay lang kasi mas nakukuha natin yung success ninyo sa isa't isa the more nagmo-move on kayo sa connection na ito. Six of Wands, that's a very balanced connection. Wala akong nakikitang pagkakagulo sa connection ninyo ngayon. So, with regards to the past person, past connection, parehong nagiging balance ngayon kasi mas nakaka-focus ka sa buhay mo. And then, nakafocus din naman yung person na ito sa buhay niya. Okay? So, with the Seven of Wands, I can see development ng skills. So pwedeng nandito rin yung focus nyo, development ng skills, money, career, ganun. And Palace of Swords is here. Present moment, as long na hindi ka as long na kinokontrol mo yung salita mo, yung words mo sa present moment. Kasi alam mo yan, masakit ka magsalita. And then, as long na kaya mong kontrolin yung sarili mo, yung emosyon mo sa pagsasalita, laban dito sa person na kakonect mo. Kasi talagang dumadating yung point ng pag-aaway. Di ba? Sa isang relasyon, normal yon. Pero as long na matututunan mong kontrolin ang sarili mo, okay naman yung relationship dito. There's money with the 10 of coins. There's, there's plano. Ayan. And I can see success, stability sa connection na ito. If you're single, I don't feel like you're opening yourself dito sa mga taong ito. Kung sino man, new people, past person. Hindi ko nakikitang ino-open mo sarili mo sa kanila. Pinapush mo sila tinutulak mo sila palayo. So, pwedeng kaya hindi nag-work out yung connection kasi tinutulak mo sila palayo. So, anyway, what do we have here for your future, Virgo? Ano muna, hindi, bago ako pumunta sa future, doon muna tayo sa challenges. Ano yung mga challenges for you? Mga challenge for you? For you, Virgo? Ano yung mga challenges for you? Spirit guys, angel guys, for Virgo. Some of you is the challenge. The Hangman is here, so eto naramdaman ko yung reversal dito. Paano, wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Okay. Okay, I think this is regarding your health, no? Ang challenge maybe for you is paano ibalik yung dating buhay, dating health mo. So, the challenge is medyo yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nahirapan ka or medyo bumibigat ka na. So, I don't know, maybe yung challenge ay is paano pagagaanin ulit ang sarili mo. So, for some of you, the challenge is with regards to health. King of Wands is here. Maybe lalo na kung marami kang responsibilidad, marami kang kailangan asikasuhin muna. So, this is the main challenge na nakikita natin sa'yo. Wala akong masyado nakikitang challenge sa'yo, but rather your health sa sarili mo. Kasi nga, you're busy, you have a lot of things to do. Ayun lang. There's also a new beginning na pwedeng very challenging for you kasi maybe kailangan mo maglaan ng pera dito. So, there's a new beginning pero you need to, maglabas ng something pera dito sa new beginning na ito and medyo parang hindi ka pa handa pagdating sa bagay na yon ngayon. So, for some of you, yun yung challenge. So, what will happen in the near future for you? Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Ano? may ano lang, may nakita lang akong ipis. So, medyo kinabahan ako. Wala naman siya. Lumabas na siya ng bintana. But anyway, what will be the near future for you, Virgo? Near future for you. Queen of Cups is here. Near future for Virgo. Four of Cups. Ayan. The Tower. Ace of Coins. The Wheel of Fortune. Ten of Swords. Palace of Cups is here. And the Six of Swords. Okay, I get this feeling na in the near future, maaring there's a new beginning for you. Pero bago mangyari yung new beginning na yun, there's an ending. Okay? Wala kang magagawa eh. This ending with the Four of Swords is dapat talaga mangyari. So, kung itong ending na to, magbibigay siya or magkikreate siya ng big change sa buhay mo. It's not just an ending na natapos lang. Basta, it's an ending na parang mababago yung buhay mo, yung araw-araw na ginagawa mo. And I feel like, this is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you are manifesting. So, ano ba yon? Tell me about this ending, this big change na possible mangyari dito kay Virgo. Please tell me. Yeah, number 10. Alam mo, tatlong 10 na yung nagpapakita dito sa row ng cards na ipinakita, na aking kinuha. There's this Nine of Swords. So, an ending of a problem. An ending of a stressful kind of situation for you. Knight of Coins is here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Two of Wands is here. So, nakakita ko ng pagpaplano. Ten of Wands. I feel like medyo magiging mahirap kasi parang madadagdagan na naman yung responsibilidad mo. Pero nakikita natin dito yung positive outcome nito para sa'yo. Yung iba, yung ending has something to do with the career na parang medyo mahirap, mabigat para sa'yo, pero in the near future, magbubunga ng maganda para sa'yo. Nakakita ko ng pagpaplano, nakakita ko ng bright future dito sa ending na mangyayari na ito. Basta magtiwala ka lang. Alam mo kung saan ka dapat magtiwala sa sarili mong kakayahan with the King of Coins. Kasi magaling ka matalino ka, madiskarte ka, magaling ka. With the Nine of Cups, ikaw mismo magbibigay ng success na yan sa sarili mo, hindi ibang tao. So kung ano man itong ending na ito, maaaring mas mailalabas mo kung ano yung kagalingan mo, kung saan mo mas mailalabas yung talento mo, yung kagalingan mo. And parang ito talaga yung dapat para sa'yo. Okay? So mababago ang buhay mo dahil mas mailalabas mo yung mga bagay or yung strength mo kung saan ka magaling. And then after nito, magbubunga ito ng malaking pagbabago sa buhay mo. I feel like it has something to do with your career. No? Wala akong naramdaman doon regarding love, but rather sa iyong career. No? You are born to be this person na successful. Hindi ka lang basta-basta pinanganak sa mundong ibabaw para paramihin lang ang tao, no? Ikaw pinanganak dito para mag-shine na para kang isang araw. Alam mo yung araw, sa yun yung last card mo Yung araw, hindi lang siya basta create. Yun ay may purpose dito sa mundo. Okay? And that is you. Okay? Binuhay ka dito sa mundong ibabaw dahil meron kang purpose sa mundong ito, and in the future nakikita natin na mas maipapamalas mo itong purpose mo na ito. Okay? And that would bring success to you. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.